To all the super stargazers, hope you are doing great. As I promised you earlier, here is me, your learning coach Vinod, being your personal astronomical tour guide for all the upcoming months. We are here in March and let us explore what the night sky offers in this month. Thank you so much for tuning into our channel, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notification when we launch new astronomy and space science related content. From this month, we are breaking down this guide into 3 different parts. So first one is on the position of planets in the night sky. Second part is on the celestial events happening in this month, and third part is the space science related launches and interesting news. So let's start with how the night sky of March is going to be a treat for stargazers. During March, Mars lingers in the evening sky as a wonderful bright object as it crosses Taurus. Most of the planetary action is now in the pre-dawn sky with 3 planets congregating there: Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Watch their relative dance as they jostle positions each morning. From the 3rd of March, you will be able to see the spectacular views of Mars when the red planet is at the Pleiades star cluster. You may begin to wonder, what is this Pleiades star cluster? Buy the space cards to know instant knowledge about astronomy terms. The Pleiades star cluster, also known as M45, is a group of stars named after the daughters of Atlas from the Greek myth and are held together by the group's collective gravitational pull. Now, Mars stands about 3 degrees due south of M45 on March 1st and remains in the vicinity for a few days as it drifts slowly towards east. The planet cruises north of the Hyades star cluster during the 3rd week of the month. A lovely crescent moon joins in on March 18th and 19th. On the 18th, the moon is just 5 degrees from M45 and Mars stands at about 8 degrees northeast of our satellite. The following evening, the moon stands less than 4% west of Mars, forming a nice triangle with Aldebaran to the south. As we move towards the pre-dawn sky in March, you will be able to see the conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn. In the morning, look near the horizon in the southeastern direction. Even though it's not a great conjunction like the Jupiter and Saturn which happened in December, this one will still make our hearts flutter. On 20th March, we all set to witness the spring equinox of the year 2021, which means that the day during the equinox, the day and night will happen to be of equal lengths, and this day is the start of the astronomical spring. So the spring equinox will precisely begin at 4:07 p.m. in the Indian Standard Time, and after the beginning of spring, the northern hemisphere will begin to tilt towards the sun and the southern hemisphere will move away from the sun. The world may term it as the spring equinox, but we in India will know what happens when the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Expect nothing less than a very, very, very hot summer. On March 28th, we all will be able to see the full moon of March, but this full moon is quite different compared to other months, as it looks super warm, which sparkles the whole night sky into the sky. This moon is also the first super moon of 2021 and wears the orange color, which shines very bright when it is at the horizon. This super moon in March is also called by various names such as the crown moon, crust moon, sugar moon, and also as the sap moon. And at last, in the whole March month, the Big Dipper will be seen very predominantly and shine very bright and be visible easily in the northeastern sky. So remember to keep your eyes open and enjoy the night sky. If you do love stargazing and want to start the hobby of stargazing, so please do visit learnspacescience.com and check out our Super Stargazer summer camp for your kids. Now, let us take a look at some more celestial events which will happen in March. On March 6th in the morning, when you look at the lower eastern sides before the sunrise, you will be able to see Mercury at its highest point above the horizon. So this is the best time in 2021 to see Mercury, which reaches the greatest western elongation of 27.3 degrees from the sun. After January and February, on March 6th, we'll be able to witness complete darkness, third time in the row in the year 2021, meaning it is the starting phase of new moon cycle. So there will be no moon on March 6th, but the stars will do their job by covering the whole night sky with brightness. So enjoy pure dark sky on that day. On March 9th and 10th, look out for the quadruple conjunction. Okay, so this event is extra special for all of us because our bunch of solar system planets will stay together in the night sky. So look to the southeast half hour before the sunrise and you will see Saturn, Jupiter and Mercury in perfect line from bottom left to top right. All three of them will appear brighter in the sky that we can watch them with the naked eye, among which Jupiter will appear brightest in the middle. The crescent moon presence in this trio is just like a cherry on the top, shining like a diamond below, and to the right of these conjunction would be Venus. Will be an extra add-on to the party, but it gets a little bit late as it will rise in the northern hemisphere along with the sun. So these are all some of the celestial events of March, but as like these natural phenomena which attracts our attention, our search towards exploring space too captivates us. Like other months, March is also a chance for humans to take another step towards understanding our capabilities in space. Here is a bunch of space missions or activities that are planned for this month. Remember, the corona scare is not over yet and most of the missions are tentatively planned. We all know that China is planning to build the biggest space station in the coming years. So for that, China could be launching the first part of the space station named Tianhe, okay, and it will be the first of 6 quick fire missions. So these 6 quick fire missions will complete the Chinese space station, which will carry taikonauts. Okay, so the Chinese astronauts are going to be called taikonauts. So these first module will lift off from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site of the Hainan province on a 5BY2 rocket. Okay. There is also a good chance that Boeing might attempt another uncrewed orbital test of its Starlink spacecraft. We have known that NASA have chosen 2 companies to build new spacecraft to carry astronauts to the space station. One among them is SpaceX and the other is Boeing. Though there will be smaller number of missions in March, but still they are important in revealing many mysteries of space travel, and let us hope that all these missions will get lots of success. I sincerely hope that you found this video helpful and you will observe all the events that are happening in the month of March. I'm happy to share that we are launching a few astronomy and space related summer camps for kids from grade 1. So do follow our FB page. The link is in the description for more information on these camps. Until I meet you again in the next month with more amazing and incredible celestial event calendar. So this is your learning coach Vinod signing off.